Morning everyone, Matt from Smith & Sons here. Another day, another bathroom. We're back in here. This is the one we ripped out last week. Obviously, as you can see, bath and shower are back in and working. Ceratone's on. We've got jib stop on the walls, and Nelson has been in and waterproofed the floor ready for his tiles. So I'm just here this morning ripping out the toilet next door ready so he can tile the toilet floor as well. So we're looking really good. Have a great day.